better check on the fire. Oh, nice and warm. Looking for the septic tank.
So it would tell you yeah, that's the lightweight. Have to go back, so.
This is where there's a straight line that comes right here. I think you should take right there. Right here, this is the spot.
Yeah, but I want to get the angle. So here's the angle, just like this. That's that tight.
Well, I think it comes this way.
Huh?
I think it comes that way.
So I can't go as far back as you're claiming, you're saying. At least we know the depth. I mean, I could just dig this line back until.
Oh, that's a waste of digging. Unless it's going to be in your
Well,
building.
It's not going to be back there. It's going to be at most here.
Let's see if it's caught.
Does that work?
Yeah, see?
Yeah,
You have to use copper, I guess, is what he's saying.
right here.
Okay, so.
This is where it comes from, a straight line.
Well, this might be the distribution box here.
Right,
So we're using some old-fashioned technology, trying to find the buried
it did work,
pipe
I would have found the
for the septic tank.
See, there's 3 lines.
Eric's
Somewhere
using some
it's gotta have a
copper
box, and they
rods
yeah.
and doing some water
It's called a
witching.
distribution.
So, how about this one? Are you witching that line right there where Ben is? Right, so if that's the case, it'd be where these two intersect. See, so it'd be right about here, whatever it is. So we're either gonna hit the septic tank here or the distribution box.
Stand right there, Eric. Right where that crossed. I wanna...
Please God, let's hit the distribution. Where my first shit was, and you told me it was way down there. I'm not going to listen to you anymore, because 50% of the time you're wrong. Now get in the machine. And
So
pick this up.
Eric, how does the rods work? Just whatever you focus your mind on? Is
It's
that
divine intervention.
That's right. It's in his mind.
It's divine intervention.
okay? Well, let me know if you need any help. I'm gonna go back to hammering concrete.
Some,
I'm gonna go back over to the rock pile and work on processing my concrete. It's getting deep over there. What?
50-foot tree almost falls on Backhoe.
So what way are you gonna pull it? Just straight towards you, or you're gonna try to get it to?
The wind's blowing the right way anyway, so.
Okay, I'm gonna get the hell out of the way. A walnut or a hackberry? Elm. All right, I'm gonna get out of the way. All right, here we go.
Pretty cool. Nobody got killed. found the septic tank.
Where was that?
Right where that cone is.
Okay.
And see, if you look down there, you can see the distribution box. That's the distribution box.
Oh, okay.
Right there where the cone is. And then it goes into that distribution box. I got 2 lines coming out of that. But that's right where pretty much right where the house goes, so
Okay.
I'm gonna have to put in a new septic.
Did you find it with the probe or the water witching rods?
Well, I just started digging a trench and finally we hit it, you know, so.
Little thing, they were crossing right around there, but
Yeah.
I want to test them with a coin or something, throw it out in the yard.
Yeah,
So.
Oh, okay, let's give you more for the burn pile.
Thanks for following along. We'll see you later.